everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I got another banger.
I'm out for my grandmother. I can't wait for our. When I come there, her on, they're like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
So as y'all can see from the previous videos, I'm about to look at this phone case. This is another iPhone, but this one is the, I think that this is the 11 Pro. You guys, I don't even know. But yeah, you guys, I'm doing another cell phone case today. And as y'all can see, I have something covered up. I need that to be covered up because, you guys, I ain't trying to be copyrighted unless it's trying to make her little coins in the future, inshallah. If y'all see anything covered up on my upcoming videos, just know that it is a symbol. And you can either check out my Instagram or maybe my website to see how it looks. But majority of the time, it's a designer symbol. So you know how that goes, y'all. So as y'all know, as all videos, I'm going in with my handy dandy picking tool. You know, I got my Gorilla Glue. I've been using this glue for like a little while now, and it's still a lot in there, mashallah. The clear grip Gorilla Glue, and I also have my rhinestones and my pearls. And y'all hear the kids in the back, y'all, because it's up. Look, they calling me. Yes, all you have. Okay, I'm coming. So yeah, you guys. So okay, I'm coming. Yeah, you guys, so let me just hurry up and show you guys. So obviously I got my rhinestones and my pearls. I have rhinestones in this mixture today. So let's get the blinging. Okay, you guys, so this beauty is complete and I'm loving the way she look. I just gotta clean her up and then we will be good to go take some pictures of her. But let's go ahead and pull back the plastic and the paper, and we're gonna start right here. Okay, we got some plastic on the Diva. Guys, this one is so hard. Oh, hold up, almost there. Almost there. Okay, Diva, okay. And then there you have it, you guys. This one is really, really cute. I really like this one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure those post notifications are turned on. And be sure to go check me out on Instagram at Designs by NYC. Be sure to go subscribe to my personal channel, Bae's Way, so y'all can get to know me on a more personal level. But until the next video, you guys, bye-bye.